Hello, hello! I've got here a new sound. It's the sound P. Look at this. This is the big P, and this is the small P. The action for this sound is like blowing out a candle. P. Let's listen to the song.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Well done! And now we are gonna see some words beginning with the sound P. I'm sure everybody knows what this is. Yeah, it's a pear. Pear. Pear begins with the sound P. Come on, everybody. Well done. And this color, who can tell me which color this is? Purple. Excellent. The first sound of purple is P. Well done. Look at this animal. It's a parrot. Parrot. The first sound of the word parrot is P. And let's go for the last one. Which color is this? Pink. Excellent. Pink begins with the sound P. Well done, chicos. Bye bye.